Sagiss is a managed service provider, and we support IT infrastructure for companies that are anywhere from 5, 10, 15 users up to 250 to 300 users.
We're starting to shift the tides as not being as reactive as a normal MSP and being a lot more proactive, fixing issues, resolving issues before the client knows there's an issue.
I had been through a whole bunch of different monitoring tools when I found LogicMonitor. I had tried doing it every different way you could, from every Cacti, What's Up Gold, MRTG, NetSaint, Nagios, Kaseya. I'd used Enable. I don't know. I've seen just about every way that you could monitor endpoints. And the difference with LogicMonitor was I downloaded it, set it up, and it discovered the network, and we were up and running. I didn't have to configure it. It was so quick and painless. It greatly simplified our lives. The NOC was able to use one tool instead of 2 or 3 to cover everything.
LogicMonitor has really helped us out as far as troubleshooting and being able to look at historical data. We have the alerts that come in, and the alerts come into our alert board, which then creates an alert. The guys look at it and they resolve it. The other thing that the NOC does is the proactive work. We've been able to just look at the dashboard and see some strange network utilization, and come to find out someone deployed a camera system to a network and saturating half of their network just by a camera broadcast. With LogicMonitor, it scales very gracefully. We don't have to worry about upgrading our hardware when we're going to roll out to a client. Say if a client has 200 machines and we need to add that in, we don't have to worry about can we even support that on our monitoring system. LogicMonitor has our back on that. As far as savings, I don't have to worry about training staff on how to do SNMP walks, WMI requests, SQL query requests. All they need to know is really how to use the dashboard and how to resolve specific things. With our clients having access into the LogicMonitor tool, the ability to grant clients access to just their specific group inside there makes it a lot easier for granting clients access, because we don't have to adjust any special security, we don't have to lock anything off. They're just going to log in, see what they need to see, and then that's it.
The thing that LogicMonitor does for us is that there's a piece that we don't have to worry about. We don't have to worry about changes in the marketplace because LogicMonitor adds monitoring for Amazon Web Services or Office 365. We don't have to worry about going back and reinventing our tool set because you guys are taking care of that piece for us.
Monitoring is so important if you're going to be a proactive, if you're going to have a proactive culture and a proactive environment, that we want to know before our client knows. And we want to know things that our clients may not ever know that are going to cause us problems somewhere down the line. So the monitoring piece of it is such a critical piece to being able to develop and maintain a proactive environment.